What is that? I don't know. Oh my god, guys, come over here. Okay, what's wrong? These people, look. The monitor, it's off. Turn on. These people, you're not gonna punch her. You gotta just turn on the button right there. Alright. It's still not turning on. Come on, why should I turn it on? Oh, there it is. Come on, turn it on. Come on. Oh, shoot. Seriously, why is this thing not turning on? No signal. Gotta do something about this, guys. I don't know what to tell you, these people, but better do something. Yeah, that's true. What do you want, these people? Well, I need your help, Jeff. What is it? You see, this monitor over here is not turning on and stuff, and we need your help. Alright, well, let's see what it is. Okay, you see that? Now, looks fine to me. Okay, then look. What? Why is it not doing anything? Go on, turn it on. It's turning on alright, you're just doing that. What you got, Do you see what I mean right there? Like, it's not doing anything. Okay, well, this is obviously, like, awkward. How about we just do this instead? Oh, well, I see what the problem is now. We're just turning it off and off. How about we'll just leave it like that, and then, there. That's good enough now. Okay, let's turn on the PC. What the? You idiot, why does this thing have Windows 8 on it? I don't know, this is weird. I never seen anything like this before with a monitor or whatever. Come on, what is going on with this? Oh, never mind. It's Windows 11. We're all good now. Oh, thank God. I thought something weird happened or whatever. Yeah, we'll just leave it like this or whatever, says people. Okay, oh, that's good now. Something weird happened to the monitor. Now it was Windows 8 or whatever. Oh. Hey guys, problem solved. Thank you very much for your help, Jeff. Yeah, whatever. Okay guys, now sit back and watch TV. Get over there already.